how to turn off keeping your future of Facebook activity saved on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off keeping your future of Facebook activity saved on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in top corner. Click on it and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one here of Facebook activity and click more options. Manage future activity again, and here you will find it. If you want to turn it off, just one click on it and turn off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.